Alright, you guys want to know what the deal is today? It's something you guys have all been asking for. People keep asking me in the comments, what are you doing with the Fireblade? Today's the day of reckoning for the Fireblade. Dana, can you uncover it? It's brand new! Oh. Wait. Oh, man. This needs a lot of work. Luckily, we have a master mechanic. Introduce yourself, Joe.
So I'm Joe. We're trying to get this thing running again, so fingers crossed. A week or two, and should be good to go.
Oh, you heard a week or two. I didn't put no timeline on it. It's whatever we can make happen, but yeah, it needs work. This bike is gnarly strong. It's like a gnarly, fast, strong bike. So if when you're working on it and you're doing your test rides and it doesn't feel that way, you got to tweak something else.
I'll say it just has to feel fast for my street triple.
Oh, it's gonna feel a lot faster. I don't know what it is. It's the gearing on it too. The gearing's an animal on this thing, so just gotta be careful because it has no traction control.
Oh, that's fine with me.
No electronics at all. Yeah, it's the back end. Likes to get a little wild.
I say no ABS either, right?
No ABS either. This is a raw bike, raw super bike. It's dangerous, but she will live again. And we got Corey here. I didn't. What's up, Corey? How you doing? Nice to see you. Long time no see. Yeah. Joe, the master mechanic, is fixing Corey's bike and should be ready soon, right?
It just needs tires.
Yeah. Just needs tires? Wow.
I'm not worried about the fairings yet. I have those ordered soon.
Yeah.
Just needs tires. Did a practice ride on her a few times. She can handle a wheelie pretty good.
Nice.
Second gear clutch ups are a lot easier now.
Wow.
So new exhaust on there too. Two brothers.
Wow.
So
you're gonna be back in the game in no time.
Oh, same time you will be.
Yeah, probably. Hopefully. But we'll get this thing taken off now. You guys, I'm ready to. Dana, isn't there a box of parts up?
I would say I think it's got a couple of parts.
Definitely got a few.
You check out this huge spider that came off your bike. Yeah, the spread almost came with us. Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's huge.
It's a gnarly spider. Not somebody you want to mess with. Alright, here are the keys. Look at this. Put a brand new chain on it. Corey left his sticker pack here last time.
I did.
There's a new sticker pack.
The tank is back there.
Uh-oh.
These are the other parts. I don't know where the seat's right there, but I don't know where, like, I don't know what was taken off. So
where's the side fairing?
Oh, those things?
So the fairings aren't as big of a deal. It doesn't look like I've got an ECU though. That I'll need. I can make something work for a battery.
Okay. There's some parts for you to find.
Oh, he also has the tuner too.
Yeah, yo.
Yeah.
Oh wait, no. Oh, that is your ECU.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Disregard.
Because here's the ECU plug.
Yeah. Okay.
As long as
so
we don't
small.
need the fairings, yeah. All we need is the other stuff.
Yeah. This should be good then. I'll grab the tank, the seat, and then just know if I can ride it around.
Yeah, we can take that over there.
Where is the seat?
The seat she said she brought.
Oh.
Right there.
Oh, right there. Okay.
Oh, yeah. What a dope seat. You know it, RR.
Maybe modify and put it on the creature for a while.
It's the 1000 ADRAT.
Yeah, we definitely have to clean this tank off.
The tanks need some cleaning?
It's a little dirty.
It was in cold storage.
It doesn't get cold down here. What are you talking about?
The good news with the Fireblade is the frame is straight. We took it to the frame doctor. The frame is straight. So if all else fails, at least the bike runs straight, even if it has no power. But she's gonna come back.
Yeah. Christine came back. Yours will come back.
Yeah. Somebody else want to push? I'm not the best pusher.
Oh no. Yeah. I thumb's still jacked up on the right.
Oh really?
Yeah, it's still right here. This one's fine. It's just
Ooh,
this one,
okay. How many weeks later is this?
I don't know, but I just can't put pressure on it.
How long has it been?
It's been 6 weeks so far.
6 weeks.
Yeah, and I think it's still broken because I broke it right here where Dana broke hers.
Oh.
She is. I was a mama spider.
You still selling those shirts?
These ones were the ones Reds made.
Oh.
I have shirts in the making.
Oh, I could help. Corey, give him a push. There you go. Wow. Joe's a master loader, too.
I've done this more than a few times.
This truck is low, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is that what it is?
Well, I got it back on it this year.
Oh, yeah. This thing looks like it's ready for off-road.
Dude, it some off-road trails.
You got some pictures where it's off-roading.
Yeah, I'm up on 2 tires.
What year is this?
92.
92. Wow. It's older than you?
It is the same age as me, actually.
Wow.
I was 12 years old as they came out.
You were both made in 92, huh?
It was made, it was within a couple months. I forget how close it was, but.
You want to see the
And it's
cool
got
part?
4-wheel drive on it, too.
Can't open it there. Latch doesn't work there. It's got 2 latches to open the door. This one doesn't work. It's the back one you had to modify to get the door open.
Yeah, the door came from a 4Runner, I was told. And then I broke the latch on this side, so I kind of had to borrow it because I like the driver's side more than the passenger side.
This thing is cool, actually.
Oh, we took it through Angeles Crest right now.
Oh, yeah, the forest, huh? How, did you see any traffic? It was dead.
No traffic at all.
I'm telling you, Azusa has had no one on it.
Like,
Because it says it's closed at the bottom, and it's not.
So there was 3 bikes we saw on the crest right now.
They're all dual sports.
But they're all dual sports, yeah.
That's,
We thought we'd see Moto Gyms out there. No, texted he's at home because he got on the live stream earlier.
Surprising. He usually rides every day.
Yeah, no one's right. He said it was windy yesterday.
He'd be killing the game. Oh yeah, yesterday was a nasty day. Oh, there was a dust storm here yesterday.
It wasn't a dust storm, it was a fire from Irvine, wasn't it? The smoke blowing over?
It was a dust storm first. Oh, it came from over the hill.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
From the north.
The north.
It came from the north.
All I know was windy up in our house the last 2 days.
Yeah, there was like 100-mile-an-hour gust that came through, and it was a dust storm.
Wow.
Yeah, and it came over that hill. And then later on in the day, the smoke started to creep in from that way, which is the south. So, oh man, Fireblade.
honestly, I think, nah, a couple more straps up front. You don't even need this guy. I don't want this smacking into it though.
Famous last words of every strap job. That ain't moving. That ain't moving.
Bike down the road.
Did you hear about Dana's most recent trailer fail?
No.
So, homie crashed on Azusa the other day, and he strapped his bike up, and he was almost home, and the bike was like really leaning a lot, and then Dana hit a turn, and apparently the whole trailer flips over. Come check this out. Come check this out.
With that dude's bike on it?
Yeah, his bike was already crashed.
Oh, that's the one that's the loop.
Look at the Harbor Freight $300 special. It's a little bent at the tongue.
Oh, wow. I'm just glad the BMW wasn't on it.
Yeah.
Dana wouldn't have been driving like that with the Beamer on there.
No.
I control that situation before it gets out of control.
Wow. Ouch.
The good news is the bike was already crashed.
Yeah. No new damage. I'm gonna try to slide all the way up. Yeah.
Just keep it from bouncing around.
I have a new tag sticker for it. Where is that at?
So as long as it's kind of taken care of, that works for me.
No, it's definitely registered.
Okay.
Well, we're just working on it, so it's not gonna.
But
I'm gonna at least need to take it out for.
yeah,
one or
there's
two
gonna
quick
be
little
some
spins.
tests.
Yeah.
So,
Rise. Yeah, it's definitely registered.
Yeah, as long as
It's registered in Florida. I got the mail sent there, and I think I did it recently, actually, to where it's probably on its way over here once my mom gets it.
How long has the oil and the gas been sitting there?
I'll probably.
The last time I rode it, I have a siphon if you don't have one.
For what?
I don't know.
Because I can just drain the oil and I can.
The fuel, maybe. I don't know.
The gas will just not bounce it in there.
Oh, yeah, you got the tank out already. I forgot.
Yeah. Yeah, that's not a big deal.
I don't think we'll need the fairings though.
Yeah, we don't really need them. It kind of
All right.
depends on if you want them on or not before you bring it back.
I don't know if they'll fit back on the right way. They're broken, aren't they?
Yeah, you just zip tie them.
Oh, it's
Well, you're going to need, like, this is the air box
It'll
thing.
still run without it. It's just
Yeah,
not,
it will
not as
run
great.
without.
That's all.
Yeah.
So, bearings.
You don't have to take the box.
Honestly, yeah, I would say the fairings we won't need. I do need them though. So I'll need to.
All right.
Just want to make sure that they don't get blown around. The tank should be fine. The seat and air box, I just don't want to like fly away.
Why has this thing got a pink clutch lever on it? That's what I want to know.
Because the Honda.
Pink clutch lever. I think Maxi put that on. That's on Maxi ordered. It used to be red, I think.
It's just sun damaged.
It's looking pinky now.
The fun of California.
That ain't cool.
Expensive gas, some use for everything.
And I was loving the Beamer. I had the E85 maps in it.
I heard. They've got burns better.
It's $1 less a gallon.
And it burns better and hotter.
Something bounced out.
Transfuser.
Alright, cool. Figure out where that goes. There.
Hopefully we get her up and running.
Yeah, we're just gonna cruise up highway. Nothing fancy going home, so.
She'll get up. She was already running. It's just she had that issue, but it's time for an overhaul.
Yeah,
It's
basically
just
just
time.
do all the basic maintenance on her.
And whatever parts you need, just let me know, and I'll go ahead and PayPal you money or whatever.
Okay, sounds good.
So let's do it that way. All right. Well, they're about to wisp away with the Fireblade.
We'll go have some fun.
Yeah, dig in. That's your idea
You
of
might not
fun.
get her back.
Yeah. There might be a buy option at the end. Crazy would be mad at me,
Oh,
but
heck yeah, I want to say.
I just have to eat that one maybe. I really don't know what I'm gonna do with the bike. Like it's just gonna be. Crazy's thinking it's gonna be some mantle on the wall someday, which that would be great and all, but I don't see myself getting out of the RV life for a while.
Yeah.
And then I got to tote this thing all around the country.
You have a big RV like Maxi has. Try to make sure it's more secure.
I'm trying to get a 40-foot trailer, but I keep
It's not going anywhere.
Crashing bikes, having to spend money on them.
I've hit canyons, I've hit miles of off-roading with it just like that. It'll be fine. I don't have enough acceleration to lose that.
It bounces pretty good.
It does, it does.
And it'll bounce right out. That's what I'm worried about.
The only thing I lose out of here is gas canisters. I just filled it up, left at a light, and it disappeared. I never saw it again.
So that'd be our luck at the light.
All right. All right.
Oh, I forgot.
Sorry.
I went to go like this, and he did it limp. Like I was like, wait. I was like, oh yeah, his hands messed up still. Joe,
All right.
looking
Get
forward
this
to
taken
hearing
care
from you soon, brother.
Sure thing.
Fireblade is off. Going to get refurbished. That's what they call it. Peace, y'all. See you on the next episode.